What's up, man? How you been?
No, yes, sir. Long time no see.
Definitely, man.
No, you know, no.
You been all right?
Yes, sir. You?
Good deal, man. Yeah, same, you know. Doing it. Good to see, man. I guess people causing problems over here, so.
Oh yeah, they were being kind of loud.
That's what he was yelling at other riders, so they worried about it.
Yes, sir.
But
you know, man, good to see you now.
good to see you, man. Glad to see you're doing good. What happened?
Talk to my husband. My husband's right there, honey. Give me the red about the 8. It helped, bro. They always talk to the officer and don't talk to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
What's going on today?
Oh, this guy over here is drunk. He come up here cussing my wife. I told him, look, don't cuss my wife. He said, I'll blow my heads off. And she went and got him. He come around here to make him stop. He went and cussed him out. Couldn't get away from that. Out of respect, he asked me to
And then told him that you can't tell me it's none of your business about the bus. And He said, yes, it is. If you're not waiting for a bus, you leave.
But yeah, that information.
Yeah, he called me a bitch, told me to blow my head off, and was staring at me.
What's going on today, man?
I was gonna go shopping. I really don't care.
What's that?
Bye.
What?
I said bye.
They want to trespass?
You like hanging out with psychotic people?
Yeah.
I
Well,
don't care.
they're going to trespass you from here.
Why would I be trespassed? Because I ain't crazy like a... You ever been in the Army? You ever do anything in your life?
You can back up off me before I put you down.
I ain't gonna do shit.
You're going to walk over here and you're going to get a trespass warrant.
I'm walking. Don't touch me.
You on the chair?
You hit me first. So a psychotic got more right than me?
No, you got yourself arrested.
No, you asshole touched me. I'll see you in the court in the morning. You don't think I ain't got money.
Get up.
Oh my shit. I did not my that dog and go shopping.
Yeah, then you decided to slap me.
No, you
That was real smart.
You don't touch my ass. Nobody gave you the story to touch me.
No,
There's some law.
No, I'm saying, what are you trying to pick that up?
He's trying to get this off him.
You want to take that off? We can take it. I mean, I'll hold it.
Son of a bitch. Take me to jail. We'll see how it works. I'll go to court in a goddamn minute.
Okay.
Get all my shit. Oh, you're a hero, huh? You ain't done a goddamn thing in your life. You weren't even born right in combat. I'm sitting your mom
I'll
on
pull my
bullshit.
car up here. Hold on. Just hold it.
But you ain't about $1 million. Do you feel like a man today?
Thank you, guys.
No worries.
Don't ever piss me off. Still, you got it with my money?
Your money.
My money. I'm the taxpayer. You're a civil servant. But you hang out with psychotic shit? Oh, she's still ranting and raving. You don't have a reaction on it. Let's go to jail. Tell that
Terry Simon, right?
That means yes. Yeah.
All right.
Terry Simon, right?
fine.
Terry, get in the truck.
Come on, get in.
Yeah, Terry Simon.
Get up and get in.
Thanks. Thanks, John. Yeah, I need help. You need to go to jail?
Yeah?
What?
Shut up.
Need me to ride out to jail? I'll go back to my car real quick.
Up to you. I mean, he went to walk and I was like, no, and he smacked my arm. So you're in bad Leo now.
Are you going down Leo?
He hit me.
Yeah.
I had to do it.
He's definitely a disintox
So
guy.
do you have
Well, yeah,
a
it may be.
case or incident?
No, I'm saying like that's.
Yeah, because he goes like this, and I was like,
He's always fighting people. Yeah.
all right, and you definitely want him trespass, obviously, right? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do
We're
that.
not gonna. We're trying to clean this up.
Yeah.
We've been working on it steady, and
Officer McQueen will give you the case number.
This behavior is unacceptable for here.
Oh, he's definitely drunk right now. There's no doubt about it.
I can't say that, but I can say his behavior indicates he might have had something.
Oh yeah, he has a cold beer.
Yeah, there's a cold beer. I'm sure he's pouring it in his cup that he had. So
I walked by him earlier. He had 2 beers earlier. So.
If he would have just sat down and shut his mouth,
just take
he
a
would have
minute.
been fine.
You'd have been fine.
I wouldn't have even bothered him, but he's got a.
Can't help himself sometimes.
You got hand sanitizer?
Did you see that? We just took him to the ground, but
Oh, I
that's
know.
because he was like pulling away. Hey, Sarge. So, oh, I got you. I just wanted to give you a heads up before you got here. Larry and I, so we were sent to this 22 at the bus stops, Terry Simon. He's screaming at a lady and her husband after, I guess he tried to touch the lady. Larry's talking to him, so Scat's like, we want him trespassed. So I tell him he's going to be trespassed. He starts rambling on like, bye, you can't talk to me. I'm like, okay, just a minute, we're gonna have you trespass. He walks towards me, so I kind of put my arm up, and then he goes ahead and smacks my arm. So we just took him to the ground. He does have a little laceration from getting thrown to the ground on his arm, but I just figured we'd call you just because it's, I mean, it's takedown, I guess you would say, but so I mean, we obviously have disorderly intox based on the complaint from the scat, and then how he's acting here. He does have open retainers on him, and then we could go. I mean, I could go the Bat Leo route for smacking me, which obviously is no issue, or we could do just the resist with. But he wasn't under arrest at the time. We weren't placing him under arrest. He was just detained, and as he walked towards me, when I put my hand up to stop him, that's when he just like takes a open slap and hits my arm, and then we just grabbed him and he resisted a little bit, went to the ground. Yeah. I mean, he tried to walk backwards and walk away, so I just pulled him towards me, and then we just took him to the ground. I mean, he wasn't, we could do resisting because he was trying to pull backwards, but obviously he wasn't going to overpower us. And then he's got, like I said, he has that cut on his arm. I don't know if it was there or if it's when we slammed him on the ground and then it just opened up. So I just figured if you wanted to come over here and see before I take him to jail, I can pull around the side of City Hall, so we're not in the SCAT terminal. I'll just pull on the First Street side. All right. And he won't say anything, talk now, but yeah. Like, he did yeah, he's drunk, and he's like, you want to leave? So he starts like walking towards me, and I put my arm like that, and he goes, so. But yeah, you can
see the scratch on him.
He did, yeah. He already had some of the open wounds, which, like I said, I don't know if this one was an open wound or not on his right arm. Is it his right arm or his left? Terry, can you lean forward for me?
Well, kind of. I'm getting a little... And I ain't right.
He'll go to the other side. Just hang
Got
on.
the concept. I'm dying.
You're dying?
Yeah, I just got out of the hospital. The Army paid for it, whatever, flying.
Wow.
There's something wrong with my ass. No, you get old and your ass falls down.
So it's on his elbow.
It's either on his elbow or his arm. And
Alright.
was that cut there? Did you have cuts?
You got cuts on your ear and your...
Yeah.
Alright.
Watch your leg.
Just take pictures of it when you take him to the jail
Okay.
or whatever.